CTFL and the importance of testing in DevOps environments in today's fast-changing software world. Delivering high-quality products is a top priority. It must be done efficiently and consistently. DevOps is a top method. It boosts collaboration between development and operations teams. It aims to automate and streamline processes. This ensures continuous integration and delivery. CI/CD. CTFL gives testers a solid base in testing principles and best practices. They can use these in a DevOps framework. It helps teams test quickly in DevOps, while keeping quality. The role of testing in DevOps. Testing in DevOps is vital. It ensures software quality while enabling fast deployment. DevOps encourages continuous testing. CORT. It means testing early and often in the development process. Automated tests in the CI/CD pipeline let teams catch bugs and performance issues early. It also helps find security vulnerabilities. It reduces the risk of critical failures after deployment. It also promotes a culture of accountability and quality. CTFL. A foundation for effective testing in DevOps. The ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level (CTFL) certification is well known. It is a basic certification for new software testers. The curriculum covers core concepts. They are testing fundamentals, test design techniques, and test management principles. Continuous testing and automation. Automation is a cornerstone of DevOps, and testing is no exception. Automated, continuous testing checks code changes as soon as they are made. This reduces the time between development and deployment. Test automation uses scripts, tools, and frameworks. They run tests and check results, without manual work. CTFL certified testers can choose and use the right tools for automation. This includes unit, integration, and performance tests. The certification also stresses test design techniques. Collaboration and cross-functional teams. CTFL certified testers have a structured approach to testing. It helps streamline collaboration in cross-functional teams. Their knowledge of test management helps coordinate testing across development stages. They can also communicate well with non-testers, like developers and business analysts. This ensures quality standards are met without slowing down. In DevOps, the role of testers expands beyond executing test cases. They often contribute to writing automated tests and defining acceptance criteria. They also work with developers to improve the code's testability. Testing metrics and continuous improvement. CTFL certified testers know how to use these metrics to optimize testing. Teams can find bottlenecks and redundant tests by analyzing testing metrics. They can also find areas for improvement. In a DevOps environment, the goal is to release high-quality software quickly. Conclusion. In the fast-paced DevOps world, testing is critical. It ensures software is reliable, secure, and performs well in the real world. The ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level (CTFL) certifies testers in DevOps. It gives them the skills to excel in a world that is collaborative, automated, and metric-driven. CTFL certified testers can help DevOps succeed. They know testing principles, continuous testing, automation, collaboration, and improvement. They embed quality in the software development lifecycle.